Hello and welcome to this Android development tutorial brought to you by North Border Software. My name is Gary and this is part 16 of the Getting Started series. And what we're going to look at in this tutorial is the WeightSum and weights. It's another tool which is available for the developer to allocate a proportion of the screen that a specific view can occupy. It's quite useful really for table views and linear layouts as well. What I've done here really is I'm going to cut to the chase. I don't want to repeat what I did last time in terms of setting up new activity, so we'll just review what I've done here. I've set up a new activity called WeightSum activity, and that's been allocated to a new layout which is WeightSum, and we'll have a look at that in a minute because that's the focus of this tutorial. So if you look at the Android manifest file, I've actually added the activity to the Android manifest file itself. The list view activity, I've put a new item in there, WeightSum. It'll be position 2 in the list view, and you can see we'll just load that activity when we press that specific item in the list view. So let's have a look at this layout which I've just developed here. So this is the activity WeightSum XML layout. All I've done is place the linear layout here with orientation horizontal, and just added 4 buttons: B1, B2, B3, and B4. And there's no weights associated with these. They're straightforward wrap content and for the height and the width. So I've already loaded this app up, so what I'm going to do is just launch it, and we'll show you the effect of the without WeightSum. So you can see the layout here. The buttons are evenly spaced apart from this B4, which is actually just squished at the end there. What I want to do is actually just proportion these buttons so they actually take up pretty much an even space on the screen. So this is the activity WeightSum XML layout. You can see there's no, I haven't assigned any weights at all to this layout. So the first thing I want to do is assign a total weight for the layout. So we do this in the linear layout portion, or the parent. And I want to just set a WeightSum of 5 in total. Now this first button here, I want it to occupy 2/5 of the screen. So I need to set a weight for that particular button. Layout weight, and I'll give that a weight of 2. Now the other thing I'm going to change is the width. That needs to be changed from wrap content to 0 dp. So we can just copy this pretty much all the way down. What I'll do, I'll just copy these elements here. Just paste that in. Change that to 1. Similar thing here. And here, just reformat that, make sure it's all okay. There we go. So if now look at the design view now, you can see the button B1 is about twice the width as B1, B3 and B4. B4 should be even. So what we'll do, we'll just give that a quick test just to see the results on the screen. Okay, so you see the app's launch now. So just hit the launch button and hit the WeightSum. So now you can see the button B1 occupies about twice as much of the screen as B1, sorry, B2, B3 and B4. B4 has got an even amount of width as well compared to the others. It was squashed up before. If you put that into landscape mode, you better get a better feel for what's actually going on here. See, B1's about 2/5 of the screen, whereas the rest is shared out between B2, B3 and B4. So the WeightSum can be quite useful. It's not just for buttons and text views. You may have one big parent linear layout with 2 nested linear layouts inside of that. You may want the first of those inner linear layouts to occupy 1/3 of the screen, and the second one 2/3 of the screen, and that might have a scroll view inside that. So it gives you an idea of how you can partition the screen to customize it really for the views to occupy the screen appearance as you want. I'll leave WeightSum there for now, because the technique shown here can be applied pretty much to anything you do. So I hope you found it useful, and catch you in the next one. Bye for now.